A criminal defense lawyer has several important legal and ethical obligations to clients, all designed to protect your rights. Important decisions. Your lawyer must explain matters to you sufficiently so that you can make an informed decision. Your lawyer can and will make recommendations, but you are the one who decides important matters, like whether to plead guilty or not guilty, accept a plea bargain, be tried by a judge or a jury, appeal the trial decision. Your lawyer will make trial-related decisions like which jurors to excuse, how to cross-examine prosecution witnesses, which defense witness to call, and what evidence to introduce. Confidentiality. Your lawyer cannot reveal your oral or written communications to anyone. That includes prosecutors, employers, friends, and even the lawyer's spouse. A few exceptions exist. If you speak loudly to your lawyer in a jail, restaurant, or other busy area where others can overhear, those people can testify as to what you said. Similarly, if you tell others, besides your spouse, what you told your lawyer, those others can testify about what you said. Your spouse cannot. If you tell your lawyer you are going to commit a crime or fraud, the government can compel your lawyer to reveal those statements. If you give your lawyer an instrument used in a crime, such as a knife or document showing unreported income, your lawyer has to turn it over to the police.